Okay, this is a beautiful, beautiful Gucci bag. It is called Sukey, and it's got this beautiful, fantastic red leather trim. It's got double top handles. I'm going to come back and show you the size of the bag first of all. As always, the measurements are on the website, but I just think this helps to put the size of the bag into some sort of perspective. So I am a UK size 8'10", I'm about 5'4", so you can hold it in your hand, obviously, the crook of your arm, or it does fit quite comfortably as a shoulder bag. Okay, it comes with Gucci dust bag. It also has 2 care documents and the quality control card and the fabric swatch. So, double top handles, as I said before, trimmed in beautiful red. It does say Gucci on these, on the hardware. I don't think that's going to show up, but just in case you can see. And also we've got Gucci on the studs here. Okay, so that's the front of the bag. Let's just show you the front and the back first of all. There's the back. You see it's got this beautiful pleating. Gives it a really nice feature. The sides and the base. And then let's spin to the other side. Okay, the sides have both got press-stud fastens, which of course you can open. It gives you more room inside the bag. It also means that it opens out, so it gives a slightly different look and shape to the bag. You've got the Gucci little charm there. And then the fasten inside is a magnetic press-stud fasten. Inside, it's got this beautiful pale lining fabric. It feels like a sort of heavy cotton or linen. We've got Gucci tag there. Trying to get it so you can see the numbers. Okay, and then of course, one zipped pocket. The tag matches the red trim. A nice red, nice zipped pocket there. So like I said, the condition is excellent. The exterior is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition. The hardware is in excellent condition. Don't think the bag has ever been used. It's absolutely stunning. Beautiful for every day. Just chuck your things in and away you go. It's wonderful. There is a link to this bag on our website. If you go to the comments below the video, there's a link to our website. On our website, we've got all of our pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, they're all on there. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter, because then you'll get sent a discount code for 10% off your first purchase with us. Dead easy to do. Scroll to the bottom of any page on the website. There's a box. Put your email address in. We will immediately send you an email that you need to verify. And then when you've done that, we will immediately send you an email with a discount code that you can enter that code at the checkout. If you don't get either of those through immediately, it's because it's gone to your spam folder. So if your email doesn't come into your inbox, check your spam folder, it will be in there. It just means your security means we can't break through because we're not in your address book. Also, in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you are on Instagram, please come and join us on Instagram. And finally, subscribe to our video, this channel. If you've not yet subscribed, subscribe. We have got beautiful Armcandy. Every day there's a video going on YouTube. You don't want to miss it. If your dream bag comes in, it could sell in a couple of minutes. So you need to subscribe to the channel, set up your alerts so you can see very quickly what's coming in on Armcandy.